Hi friends. I've brought you a new episode. If you make hooks this way, you'll be able to catch fish with almost every hit. So let's get started. It took 5 fishing hooks and a small spring. First, I tied the thinnest hook to the line, using the regular knotting method. You probably know how to tie a hook like this, but if you watch the video carefully, you'll understand it clearly. Then I kept both sides of the line even, and wrapped it tightly, pulling the hook to make a double thread wrap. Next, I divided the remaining 4 hooks into 2 pairs, 2 on each side. Between those 2 pairs, I placed the thread of the single hook, folded in half, right in the middle. It works best if the single hook stays about 1 inch lower than the other 4 hooks. After that, I positioned the single hook's thread in the center, and started tying each of the 4 hooks, using a new knotting method, just like tying individual hooks. Once the wrapping was done, I pulled both ends of the thread firmly, to make a strong and secure binding. Then I spread the 4 hooks evenly around, and kept the single hook's thread in the middle. I applied super glue, so the hooks and the center thread stay fixed. I cut off the extra thread with a cutter. And carefully burned the loose fibers with a lighter. After that, I inserted the small spring into the thread, and set it above the 4 hooks. Bait will be placed on this spring, and also on the single hook below. Whenever a fish bites any of the bait, just hit the fishing rod, and the fish will get caught, either on one of the 4 hooks, or on the single one. After everything was done, I attached a mini swivel to the line, so it can be connected or removed as needed. This is a brand new hook system. If you watched the video attentively, and liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and stay with us. Best wishes.